This is a leather chair, believe it or not. It's not big and puffy and it doesn't move. I know some of you men are crying right now, but I gotta tell you, this is a beautiful classic chair that could go in a living room, a family room, a bedroom, and the leather is so nice for cleaning, light color, and it doesn't look like it's from the 1980s. And even to give it a little bit more classic feel, it has our nail heads here. So really, this chair could go anywhere, but it has the durability and the flexibility that leather offers. Oh yeah, one more thing, my side table. You can't have a chair without a place to put a drink, after all. If you look down there beside me, I have a big old log. And I know it looks like it's a stump that I probably spray painted silver. After all, I do love my spray paints. But no, this is a cast piece of metal made to look like wood. It's a little unusual, and it does have a little bit of a juxtaposition against our smooth leather, but I love the look of it. It's just kind of an interesting talking piece. Who knew? And yes, I can put a drink on it.